Hi guys, this is Nelson, and today we're going to be making a rucksack stand. First, an update of what's happened. This is where our old shelter used to be. We've completely cleared out the area. And this is our new shelter. Using the sticks from our old shelter and the boughs from the tree that crushed it, we made this lean-to. Over here is our woodworking station, which brings us to today's project. We're going to use this piece of wood to make our rucksack stand. We're going to replace it to here. Grab this. And lean up against it. Check if it's stable. Yeah. I'm going to grab my old trusty buck saw. And I'm going to cut horizontally right here. We've sawn 3/4 of the way through the log, and the next step is to remove this piece of wood using our axe. There we are. We're going to round off the corners with our knife. Perfect. This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.